how to use a Viber account on multiple devices. So for example, if you are trying to use this Viber account, so for example, this is my Viber account. So if I try to log in to a different phone, so if I try to log this account in a different phone, then this account on my phone will log out. There is no way I can use this same account on multiple cell phones. However, there is a way. The way is you can only log in to a desktop or a tablet without logging out from your device. So let me show you what I mean. So go to your more from here, and from here then go to settings and account, and from here you will find desktop and tablet. So just press this QR code here and scan the QR code from your desktop or your tablet. Then you can open the same account here, this account on your desktop and tablet at the same time. There is no logging out. You can use this particular account, and along with it the desktop will remain. But you cannot use the same account on a different cell phone. That's not possible. For that you need a different SIM card, and that's not the topic of the video. So yeah, your answer is how to use Viber on multiple devices. It's only possible on a desktop and on a tablet, but if you want to use this particular account on a different cell phone, then that's not possible. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. Please don't hate me. Okay, I'm just trying to be honest with you guys. I'm not trying to okay, have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you on the